We have a Western New York grain hopper train coming. Let's check it out.
Welcome back. This is our train expert channel. We got a short grain hopper train coming according to the Western New York train. Let's check it out. Engine numbers 435 and 431.
And a red engine trailing.
This is the train we got from the OC&T a couple of weeks ago.
There's the end. That's a short one.
There's the end right there.
That was like six grain cars, and that was it.
6 grain hoppers, and that was it. We'll wait till they have a stoppage or leave, and then we're going to get off.
Like we got on Friday.
There you go. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on next train. Talk to you later.